What's that? So this I see in my bag. It's so cute. Wag. No. I have a cheater. Wow. I didn't color this. Hyperpigmentation? What's this? It's ugly. Wow. Among you, stop. It's ugly. It's ugly. It's ugly. It's ugly. Among Us. I think I have number mo na.
May igop din ako, yan ang nalita sa akin. Pati pala pa yung nakikita.
Opo, pag may ano ka, kung anong ID mo ang nasa
I'm gonna win, but I can't. I'm YouTuber.
Wala, ang pumasok lang PhilHealth. Lang meron siya. Wala talaga kami national.
It's why my sister drawings. Wow, wow, amazing. Wow. Generation. It's stored. Let's move on. It's Spidey. What the? Wow! What the fuck?
Pag yun ay pumasok, ibig sabihin meron na siya.
Why?
Pero pag wala, ay di a-approval pa ng ano.
Pwede kayo magpa-text sa
Pero ano yung kay Kapitana, inano ko wala talaga
kahit na meron yun, no?
Oo, wala talaga. Hindi talaga.
Third. Yes, third.